In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import test questions from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Forms. Microsoft Forms is a great tool for creating quizzes, surveys, and assessments, and importing questions from Word can save you a lot of time, especially when you already have your questions prepared. Let's walk through the steps to transfer your test questions quickly and efficiently. First, open your Microsoft Word document that contains the test questions. Make sure the questions are formatted in a clear and consistent way, such as using numbered lists for multiple choice or short answer questions. This makes it easier for Microsoft Forms to recognize the questions correctly. Next, open your web browser and go to Microsoft Forms at forms.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Forms dashboard, click on Quick Import, then click Upload from this device. Next, find the quiz you made, select it, then click Open, and it will import your questions. Microsoft Forms will process the document and display a preview of the questions it has detected. Review the preview to make sure all questions are imported correctly. Forms will usually detect multiple choice and short answer questions automatically, but it's a good idea to double-check formatting and make any necessary adjustments. After confirming that the questions look correct, click Add to Quiz. The questions will now appear in your quiz, ready for you to assign point values, add answer choices, or adjust settings such as correct answers and feedback. You can also rearrange the order of questions if needed. Finally, review your quiz to ensure everything is accurate. Make any edits to question wording, answer options, or formatting directly in Microsoft Forms. Once you're satisfied, your quiz is ready to distribute to students or participants. By following these steps, you can easily import test questions from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Forms, saving time and ensuring your quizzes are accurate and well organized. And that's how you import test questions from Microsoft Word into Microsoft Forms. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.